What's up, guys? This is Tyler and we are at Mountain Creek. Water park lines are so long, I am doing the alpine coaster. You know me. If everybody knows me, they know I love roller coasters. So yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna try as hard as we can to go no brakes. Yeah. Hold on a sec, alright, I'm gonna hide the camera for like 5 seconds just from the attendant. Alright. Woo! Oh crap. Woo! Oh shit. Oh crap. Woo! Whoa! Hi, other people. Alright, we gotta slow down a little bit. Now we have to slow down. Damn it, we were doing so good. Alright. Like and subscribe.